Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to integrate RFID module with Arduino. This is a simple basic experiment. This will be helpful for the beginners. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, RFID module, RFID card, RFID tag, connecting wires and connecting cable. This is our RFID module. This RFID module has 8 pins. 3.3 volt, reset, ground, RQ, MISO pin, MOSI pin, SCK and SDA. Except RQ, we need to connect all the other 7 pins to the Arduino board. Now let's connect the connecting wires with the RFID module. Now we connected the connecting wires with the RFID module, and the other end of the wire we need to connect with the Arduino board. The first pin is the 3.3 volt pin. We need to connect with the 3.3 volt pin in the Arduino board. The second pin is the reset pin. Reset pin we need to connect with the pin number 9 in the Arduino board. The third one is the ground pin. Ground pin we need to connect with the ground pin in the Arduino board. And the next one is the MISO pin. MISO pin we need to connect with pin number 12 in the Arduino board. Next one is the MOSI pin. That pin we need to connect with pin number 11. Next one is the SCK pin. SCK pin we need to connect with pin number 13. And the final one is the SDA pin. This pin connect with pin number 10. This is our circuit connection. Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop using the cable. Connect the Arduino board with the laptop and upload the code. Before upload the code, go to Tools and select Manage Libraries. Since we are using the RFID module, we need to install one library. In the search text box, type RFID and install this MFRC 522. So this is our library. So since here it is already installed, it is showing us installed. Then close. Then again go to Tools and select the board. Our board is Arduino Uno. Then select the port. Then click the right arrow button and upload the program. Now the program is uploaded. Now we are using RFID tag and RFID card. So now we need to identify the ID of each one of them. Now open the serial monitor and place the RFID tag in the RFID module. Now it is showing the ID of RFID tag. Now place the RFID card. This is the ID of RFID tag and this is the ID of RFID card. Now we are copying this ID, which is the ID of RFID tag, and place here. Now we again upload the code to the Arduino board. Now again check the serial monitor. Now I am placing the RFID tag and it is showing authorized access, and now I am placing the RFID card, and for that it is showing access denied. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comment section. Thank you.